My name is Dr. Smriti Zanaveld. I'm the founder of Lazarus 3D. Right now, doctors don't have a great way to learn how to perform surgical procedures, so they're using fruits and vegetables, and sometimes even their own patients, to learn how to perform surgical procedures. There's a saying that practice makes perfect, but practicing on a green bell pepper isn't gonna cut it. So we have a solution. Using our soft 3D printing process, Lazarus 3D can create copies of patients' body parts overnight from their exact MRI or CT data, so that doctors can perform a dry run or a surgical rehearsal of their patients ahead of time. Using our technology, we've made a difference in patients' lives. The goal of Lazarus 3D is to help minimize medical errors, reduce costs, and most importantly, help improve patient outcomes for all. So my question to you is, which future will you choose? One where the doctor has rehearsed on your specific body part ahead of time, or one where they're operating blind?